Hi guys, thanks for tuning in to the Scan Tool Network video. In this video we're going to be looking at the top 5 scan tools for Ford vehicles in 2022 and 2023. Now I'm going to put links to all of these kits in the description below this video. Please make sure you do use those links because they will take you to genuine and official products. Unfortunately there are fakes, there are clones on the market and they can cause damage to your vehicle and indeed the dashboard as well. So make sure if you are interested in any of these tools, use the genuine product links in the description below this video. And at the end of the video, hopefully you'll have a better idea about which of these tools is going to be more suitable for your needs, your specific vehicle and your specific budget as well, of course. And we'll start at the cheapest and we'll work our way up to the most expensive tool. So we're starting with the iCarSoft FD version 1.0 tool. It is the cheapest, but it does cover a lot of systems. So it covers all of the main systems in your vehicle, like engines, airbags, ABS, transmission. So if you've got a warning light on any of those systems, it will allow you to diagnose and reset those warning lights. It also covers other systems in the vehicle as well. It all really depends on what's installed to the vehicle. So for example, it'll do power steering, air suspension, central locking, HVAC systems, and a lot more. As I say, depends on what's installed to your vehicle. Now, this tool will also do service resets as well. So if you've got a service light or a service interval or maintenance message that you need to reset, this tool will also do that on the vehicle. And you will get free updates for life on that. The next tool is more expensive. It's a little bit more expensive. It does everything that this tool does, but it covers a few more service functions as well. I'll come to those in a second. This is called the Icorsoft US version 2.0. Don't be put off by the US name. Obviously US is for USA. They did create this kit with USA Ford in mind, but they've also added the European Fords to this as well. So don't worry about the US name. It definitely covers European and US Fords, so don't worry about that. But over and above this tool, this does service functions which include DPF regeneration, electronic parking brake, electronic throttle calibration, steering angle sensor calibration, new battery registration, injector coding and brake bleeding. What I would say about this tool is it doesn't cover all of those functions for all vehicles. So you might need to, I'll pop an email address in the description below. Use that email address, send your vehicle details over and what function you're looking to carry out to see if this tool is going to be suitable or not. That's the US version 2.0, free lifetime updates for that tool as well. We then come to the iCarSoft EU Pro Kit. This tool will do everything that these tools will do, but whereas these cover Ford vehicles, this covers all of the European manufacturers. So yes, it covers European Ford, but it also covers BMW, Mercedes, VW, Audi, Seat, Skoda, Volvo, probably a lot of others that I'm missing, Land Rover, Jaguar for example. So this covers those particular European manufacturers. Functionality wise it's exactly the same, but because it does cover more vehicles, more manufacturers, it does cost a little bit more. But you do get free lifetime updates with this tool as well. We then move on to a similar functionality tool. This is the Icorsoft CR Pro Kit. And this again covers everything that these tools will do, whereas these cover Ford, this covers European, this covers manufacturers from Europe, Asia and America as well. So this is a really, really good package. This has been a good seller now for a number of years, and like I say, it does all of your systems, all of your service functions as well on all different manufacturers. So that's one to look out for if you are looking to get a tool to cover maybe your Ford and other manufacturers as well, but you want the same level of functionality as these tools here. We then move on to the Icorsoft CL Max Kit. This is a newer kit on the market. It's been out 6 or 7 months. It's a tablet-based kit, as you can see. Free lifetime updates for this tool as well, but this goes over and above all of these tools. So it covers everything that these tools will do, but it also does lots of things like calibrations, actuation tests, adaptions for lots of different systems within the vehicle. So if you're adding new parts like ECUs, or you're adding windows, doors, lights, systems, seats, there's lots of different adaptations that you can do, and calibrations for like suspension systems, actuation tests to make sure certain functions or systems are working within the vehicle. This is the tool which is good for that. It covers all manufacturers, all systems, all service functions as well. Now this is if you're looking for a tool which has the best value for money, and the most amount of functionality for the money that you pay. I would say you probably don't need to look any further than this tool here, because this tool is the rival to this tool is the Autel Mk80A. That tool costs £150 more than this, and also for the Autel tool you need to pay yearly updates of £130. Well, this tool you don't pay any yearly updates, you get free updates for life, as is the case with all of these tools. So once you've bought the tool outright, you don't need to pay anything else. So this is a highly recommended tool in my opinion. And if I was to choose a tool from this sort of table here, then I would say it all really depends on my circumstances. If all I wanted to do was reset a check engine light or an ABS light or an airbag light, and I wasn't really interested in sort of using the tool again that much, then you don't really need to look much further than this tool here. But if you want to get more advancement out of the tools, if you want to cover more systems and functions, let's say you want to cover more systems and functions, in as many systems and functions in your vehicle as possible, then it's got to be the CL Max Kit, because it does fall under the DIY umbrella, but there's no reason why you couldn't use this for a small garage or a small workshop, because you might not necessarily know what you've got coming in on a day-to-day basis. Maybe you just want a car which is going to cover your future kit, which is going to cover your future vehicles, or you've got a few different vehicles within your family circle, or indeed you've got like a fleet of vehicles for work that you need to look after, etc. So like I say though, if you are interested in any of these tools, please use the links in the description, because they will take you to genuine and official products. The fakes can damage your vehicle, they won't work as they should. And yeah, hope this video has been useful for you. Hope you've taken some knowledge from this video, and now you understand which tool is going to be suitable for your needs in your vehicle and your budget as well. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps.